got given a microwave, helped Lee out, and it's a bit of metal, so I'm just sprucing it up for him. Are these going to be used?
No, they're old.
Right, okay.
I don't know what they're off of.
Okay. Carl.
Really?
Yeah. Alright.
GST.
Hey, what? What do you reckon, eh? Well, hang on. Let me do that a bit more first. There ain't many people what will fucking paint a microwave for you and make it look all nice. Right, if I take that away now, right, then you just do what you just did. Right, it's got to be out the end. Turn the number plate the other way round. Yeah, turn the number plate the other way round. No, the back of it, so as I'm painting the back of it, that's it. Right.
You're listening to Smooth Extra.
Bit of thinners on that would be alright, don't you, Roy? Okay.
Do you want to paint over the soup marks that's inside it?
The soup. Do you say the soup marks? No. No, there's no need. I didn't know that affects the microwave itself, though.
I asked Jo about it. She reckons it shouldn't, but there's a possibility.
Was this gloss or matte?
No, you're using
That's gloss. That's okay. Yeah, I know. I just picked it up. That's all. You do, won't it? Let that dry. And it's bacon sandwich.